Hey guys, RJ here and welcome to a super quick Crypto Pirates update. Now here you can see we are in the passive game. This is our fleet. You can see we are still using the 8-bar-K setup, which I will continue to use going forward, basically because the ships are easy to maintain and we can make regular withdrawals. If we dive into the payment history, you can see here that we made a withdrawal this month, we made a withdrawal in October, and we made a withdrawal in September, all around about that 100,000 BTC mark. This is our faucet pay. You can see the last two payments here. So this was October, this is November. And if you are interested in more free crypto programs like this that pay regularly, check out my channel. Also as well, if you can like, share and comment on this video, that would be absolutely brilliant. So take care and I'll speak to you soon.